again. This is Suraj Kumar from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. I welcome you in this live session. Please tell me about yourself something. I would like to know it.
Yeah, sure, sir. As you know, my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I come from West Bengal. I'm a homemaker. I'm blessed with one child and simultaneously I'm a part-time YouTuber. That's it. This is my short introduction. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. After a long time today, just I'm talking to you. Really, just I was missing a lot. Because you know that just we have the great community of English speaker, and we wanna speak long and conversation. We wanna do that, and if we don't do that, really, we don't feel well. And now just we have the great opportunity here to do something. So really, I'm feeling blessed, and really, just I have taken my time out for you for this wonderful session. Then tell me how is the life it is going on.
So my life is going smoothly. Everything is going, yeah, I can say that everything is going so far so good. And how is your, as I know that, sir, you are a teacher. So how is, so Uh, so tell me something that how is your English journey is going on?
Oh, really, I tell you, English journey is going fantastic, and day by day, just I'm improving, and just because of me, a lot of students today they are becoming the wonderful speaker, and really I appreciate all my students that they are just following all the guidelines, and I am feeling fantastic because a lot of students, because it was my dream to speak this language, and because of me, many students they are becoming fluent in this language. So I am feeling blessed and very peaceful, very happy. The 2025, it was the amazing year for me. Then you tell me, I think, how was your last year? That how will you describe it?
If I talk about my last year, how was my 2025? Yeah, it was quite good. Yeah, but not that much good. Because I expected so many things, but somehow I felt that I didn't work that much on my skills and on so many things. So that's why I didn't get gain anything. But this year, definitely I try to give my best. Yeah, due to some reasons, sir, I couldn't focus on my communication skill. It was, I can say that it was completely my fault. I don't want to blame anyone. Even I don't want to blame God also, that what I didn't get in my life.
I tell you, I tell you, if you understand that whatever the condition, whatever today you are facing, whatever condition you have, and you are totally responsible for that. Really, I tell you, your life it starts changing, and it will be possible because you know that whenever you think that I am the responsible for this, that you take action in your life, and when you take action in your life, really things changes.
Yes.
So, whatever the mistakes you made in the past year, that doesn't matter. But now, this year, whole year, you have make a routine, great routine, and find a
Yes.
goal that just be consistent for your goal. Because
Yes.
consistency it matters in our life. Because
Yes.
if you do anything just you do that. I always tell all my students that you always be consistent. Every day you do the practice, whether you are getting the partner or not. You do by yourself. Turn on the camera, turn on just camera, and just start to speak something, anything. Because
Yes.
your mouth will be habitual for this language. Anyhow, whenever you talk to anyone, just you can talk very easily. And really, I tell you, many mistakes I made in the last year. But I tell you, we are human, and
Yes.
being human beings, we are the totally dummy of God, and just we are not a God. Actually, we are the dummy of God. So we make mistakes. This is our. We should consider it that we make mistakes, but we should not make and repeat the same mistake again and again.
Yes. Yes.
Suppose
I
we
also do that.
repeat
Yes.
same mistake again and again, it means that we are totally full.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
yes, yes. So New Year it says that whatever the mistake, whatever you just made in last year, you don't do same because I have changed. It was 2025, now 2026. Why
Six.
are you not changing yourself? Yes, man, I have changed. Why are you not changing yourself? So this is your responsibility that you try to change yourself, and it will be possible for you. And life will be wonderful. I
Yes.
tell you, I say life is very beautiful, but only you
Yes.
have to change the your
Mentality,
perspective. Yes,
perspective. Yes.
mentality, perspective. That many people they always think negative, 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 stress, depression. Oh my God, anxiety. But I tell you, if you think, if you find the happiness in your life, there will be many reasons for the happiness. Many
Yes.
reasons, thousands of
Yes.
reasons are there that you will be happy. But if you are finding the faults, mistakes, disappointments, you will get a lot of things. In our life, everything is available. But it depends on you that what are you finding. Yeah, what do you say about it?
Yes, yes. What you were saying, sir, it's absolutely true. I see eye to eye with you. Yes, I also feel that like no, now this year definitely I have to give my 100%. And in my last year, what kind of mistake I did, I must not do the same kind of mistake in this year. As well as I know that I expected so many things, but to be honest, I just my effort was zero. My effort was 0.5%. I expected 100%. So it was completely my fault. But this year definitely I will not do it. Yeah, and I try to give my best. And what I didn't get, but I know that I will not get those things. Yeah.
Actually, most of the time, only just we expect something more and we give something less. This
Yeah.
is human mentality. मतलब देंगे थोड़ा सा और चाहेंगे बहुत.
ये बहुत कुछ.
Actually, yes, बहुत कुछ. Actually, we have like this the mentality, but we should change the mentality. The people they are highly successful, they give something more and they get something